東山 by Lin Hui. How rich the hills, plains, mountains, with fields and gardens in their beauty. How magnificent the sight of a canal, and how lovely the city on the water. Poem by Lin Hui. Attention travelers, the 1214 local train to Shuling is about to arrive on platform 1B. Attention travelers, the 1214 local train to Shuling is about to arrive on platform 1B. Hi everyone, I'm Christina. Today we're in Dongshan Yilan, a mecca for tea. Plus, I have a local friend here. He's going to show me around. I'm really looking forward to this because it's a low-carbon, low-impact trip. So, let's get going. Let's go! Attention travelers, for the 1214 local train to Shuling, please wait on platform 1B. Attention travelers for the 1214 local train to Shuling. Hey, hi Mr. Lo.
Morning.
Wow, so how come you have two bikes?
One of them is for you.
This one is mine?
Yes, we're going to see Dongshan on a bike.
Why on a bike?
Because we're promoting low-carbon travel.
Right.
Plus, there's something special about this particular bicycle. It's an e-bike.
So, it's electric?
Right, so it's faster and easier to ride.
So it's a convenient way to go anywhere.
As it happens, the Xinnan Loop bike trail starts right next to the station. It links the eco-oasis, Meihua Lake, Luodong Sports Park, and the water park.
So many places.
It's 36 kilometers total.
Wow, so biking is the perfect way to see it.
Yes, you can go to all these places and see everything in one go.
Well, let's get going.
Let's go.
Wow, this place is stunning. This station is so unique and it's raised up.
In fact, the raised track is the oldest in Yilan. Dongshan Station was once an important station for freight. It was mostly freight trains. They primarily carried calcium carbide. It came from the factory to Dongshan and from here went all over the country. You see how it looks now? It looks like a melon trellis, right?
Yeah, well, why is that?
Because Dongshan was once called Mount Wintermelon.
Mount Wintermelon?
Just as the name suggests.
A mountain shaped like a wintermelon. Now that you mention it, it does look a lot like an enormous wintermelon. And this whole place is amazing.
The installation art over there looks like an iron farmer. It represents the connection between the rice paddy and the farmer. So this is a wonderful place for a walk.
Yeah, let's keep going.
Okay, let's go.
A train station shaped like a melon trellis and a mountain shaped just like a melon. The combo draws many tourists. From what my guide tells me, that Dongshan area is a treasure trove. Not only does it have spacious fields and a beautiful river, and it's also a wonderful place to travel and get back to nature. Whether on foot or on a bike, visitors get to know Dongshan through unhurried exploration and unlock the beauty of Dongshan's river shore. Wow, this place is so gorgeous. In the summer, surrounded by woods like this, it's still quite cool.
It's not too hot.
Right, it's not too hot. Wow. So the environment here is super perfect for a low-carbon trip.
Look over there. That old steel bridge used to be for trains, see?
The lower one or the higher one?
Yes, the lower one. Back in 2007, the track was moved to the higher one. So now the old bridge connects the eco-oasis with everything else.
And this is the new one.
The new one is the higher one.
E-bikes aside, there's another great low-carbon tool for seeing Dongshan. This is the Dongshan River Eco Arc. For tourists in Dongshan, it's an absolute must-see. And did you know? On the big river, you can feel a gentle breeze on your face as you watch people strolling along and enjoying the trees. Wow, we were just biking up above, but now down here, it feels like we're getting a whole different perspective. It's like we're on a safari.
Yes, this is a duck boat, a great way to enjoy the scenery at your leisure.
Uh-huh. Duck boat? Why is it called a duck boat?
That question brings us to when the Dongshan River floods. The Dongshan River has a small flood every 3 years and a big one every 5. The flooding causes damage to the crops. Watching their crops getting washed away, the farmers could just cry, right?
Right.
So what can they do? Dry their tears and raise ducks. They herd ducks into their paddies to eat the sprouting grain. And when harvesting muddier areas or paddies where there isn't anywhere to step, they use duck boats like these.
Wow, so that's why Ilan is famous for smoked duck dishes.
That's how they got started here.
And now this turned into a more modern kind of tourism.
Right. The river was widened. Soon after, planning started for the Dongshan River Scenic Area. The first part planned was the water park. Right now, they have a huge event, the Children's Festival, going on. Once a flood and disaster-prone area, the Dongshan River has become a cultural hub and a highly international place. And that was the story.
Uh-huh. Well, seems like they've affected a huge area.
Yes.
Now it's quite wide here.
Right.
I never would have guessed that Dongshan River used to flood often. Now it's been overhauled into a beautiful place for tourists. It feels like we're in Venice. And did you know? Whether you're boating or taking photos, the scenery along the way is incredible. But aside from the Eco Arc, what else is there to see on a chill, relaxing trip?